Hello everyone, I am Rohit speaking again from the third SEM CSE department. Let's get into the topic. The third question is that design Verilog HDL to implement simple circuits using structural data flow and behavioral module. They have also given the expression that Y is equal to AB plus CD, which means that we have to obtain the Verilog HDL program from using this expression and we should write the circuit which is also given here. And okay, from the expression, we can find out that A dot B means AND gate, which is here, and C dot D means, which is also an AND gate represented here. The outputs of the AB and CD will become the input of the AND gate, which is present here, and it will produce an output Y. Talking about the Verilog program, there are three types, namely structural gate level program, and the data flow model program, and the behavioral module. Each are different from one another. We shall discuss about it briefly in the video.
Now we shall talk about the Verilog HDL program. They have given the expression that y is equal to a dot b plus c dot d. A dot b means AND gate which is present here, and c dot b means the AND gate which is also present here. The outputs of AB and CD are connected to this AND gate, and we will obtain the output y. Now I shall write the structural program. Now I have written the structural gate program here. We shall take the as the naming example, which is written here, and the inputs as A B C D and the output Y. Input A B C D and output Y. We have taken the output of AB as W1 and W2 as the output of CD. Now this is represented by G1 and this is represented by G2, and this will become G3. and and G1 of W1 which is the output and A of B as input, and G2 gate 2 of W2 which is the output and C comma D as input. Here is the OR gate which is taken as G3 and Y as output and W1 W2 as the input from AB CD. We are gonna end the module. So I have written here the data flow model program. Here the inputs are, which are same taken as here also, module example A B C D comma Y, and input it is same till here, but from here we can see that we are gonna assign the value of Y, that A and B, which means this gate which is present here, and C and D. In the middle of that we are gonna represent the OR gate here, and we are gonna end the module. Now I have written the behavioral module program. Module example of A, B, C, D of Y. Input as A, B, C, D and output as Y. We are gonna register the value of Y, and at always at A or B or C or D, if A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1, which means that if both the input values are 1, the output will be 1. Else if C is equal to 1 and D is equal to 1, the output will also be 1. It doesn't matter about the A or 0 or B or 0. If both are 1, we will get the output as 1. Else if any of the value is 0, we will get the output as 0. And we are gonna end the module.
And coming to the output, these are the snapshot which are taken from the lab application programs. So if we take all the input values as 1, we will get the output as 1. That is y is equal to 1. And the y outputs will also be equals to 1. And if any of the input values is equals to 0, then the output value will be 0. That is y is equal to 0. Thank you.